All right, everybody, today we're going to be doing a quick hair tip. And thanks to someone on Instagram who sent me a DM on how he styles his hair and an easier way for him to get kind of that flip in the front. And I knew of the technique, but I said to myself, I haven't done it in a long time because this style has just started trending again. So check this out. If you've got longer hair like this, all right, let's go a little bit closer here. If you've got hair, say it's like down to here, and you want that movement, you want that flip that everyone on TikTok has, first of all, you have to make sure you have the right haircut. But second, this is what you do. You bring your hair back like this with your hand and push forward, and then hit it with the blow dryer like this, and look what's gonna happen. See? It sticks up. That's it. So rake it back like that. Okay, there's the hair. We're gonna push forward. Here's the view on top. I'm pushing the hair down. And then, you can hit it with the blow dryer. And throughout the day, a lot of these guys, if you notice, they go like this, and you can scrunch it a little bit, but it's back, bring it forward, you can scrunch a little, and then all of a sudden, you're gonna have that like little texture. And you can bring this even down here. It's really just getting these tips on top of everything else, blow dry it like that, and then once it's set in, it should last throughout the whole day. That's it. I want to do a quick little hair tip video. Try this and let me know if it works. Let me know if it's helpful. Stay safe and healthy. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time for more videos with The Salon Guy.